Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I'm on here today because I want to show you a parcel that I think it's for my husband from Nat Williams, and he wouldn't open it, so I'll open it for him. She said she was going to send him this if he wanted it, and I thank you, Nat, for that so much. I really do. It's very kind of you to send him this book. She got a book for him, and it's nice wrapped up cosy. There we go, look at that. Lots of love, Nat. That's very kind of you, Nat, for doing this. I really appreciate it, because he does really enjoy these books. My husband's always been interested in chickens and has bred them and in the past, and actually won with them at shows and things, but he doesn't have them at the moment, so this is going to probably encourage him to get some. This is a book about chickens, okay? So here we go. Oh, and it's really nice and beautiful. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm sure he's going to really enjoy this. You can't see what I've got here, look. Hang on a minute, I think I can take it out a bit. I was in the middle of doing something, but I wanted to show you this beautiful book so I can go and call him in and he can have a look at it too. All about the chickens, what eggs they have, and oh, look at these must be paintings, aren't they nice? You've got paintings of chickens, all about them. Oh, I love this. That's really good. Oh, look at the feathers. No, I'm not going to cut it up. You don't have to worry, Nat. I will not be cutting it up. Love that. We've had a few chicken tractors. That's what we've called them in the past. Actually, we do have one chook left over from all the other chooks. She's still out there. She's been there quite some time now. She's only one left, but we couldn't get rid of her. She's quite happy living here with us. He's in the yard and her and the dog hang out and stuff like that. So, look at this, isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at these. He's seen this. I showed it to him when Nat was looking at it, and he said, "Oh, look at that!" He said, "It shows all the feathers." Yes, it does, Jeremy. It tells you all about every one of them, and there is so many here. Look at that. That's what we had, Australorps. He had bantam ones that he won with, but we had a lot of Australorps. We used to have a great big one, a great big black one. We've got all they were black, or navy, and oh, it was huge like this, you know. It was a big one like that one, and it was really. We've actually had big red ones too, and we've had silkies and but not this amount. And there's a story too now on the television about chicken people, and it was really good. We watched it the other day. So it's really hard though to have them now too, because in town people don't want to hear the rooster crowing. You can't really do any breeding without a rooster. You can't. He's built some incubators and bought eggs, but still that's not the same as making your own, is it? This is really nice, Nat. Really beautiful. It should be a while. You'll probably read it all this afternoon. Anyway, read every word. He really likes these sort of things. I think they're good too. Beautiful book. It's in really good condition. In really good condition. And I really appreciate that, Nat. I really do. So thank you very, very much for it. Still, there's heaps of pages here, so we can look for a bit more. I won't take up too much time, but we'll still look through. People might be interested in all the chickens. I know some ladies have got their own chickens. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? Now, some of them look a little bit funny, don't they? A little bit different. This is what the hen looks like, and this is what the cock looks like. And look at these. I don't know about these. A friend of ours has these, and they, ooh. I find them a little bit scary, but they're nice. They're nice looking chooks anyway. Very nice. Really beautiful. It's got all the businesses about them down here. The classes of soft feather types and their breeds, about all their breeding, and their eggs, the colour, what colour their googie eggs are. Used to be, well, was still good to go out in the garden and get the stuff out of the garden, but used to be able to get the eggs and all the vegetables and the tomatoes and things like that, and now we are eating. We had a bit of what was that thing? Turnip last night, broccoli, and it's out of the garden. The other day we had little carrots. He's got a lot of little baby carrots. There's bits and pieces of everything coming along a bit at a time. We've been having lettuce in the salad sandwich. He's got a whole heap of stuff up there, so, but I can't wait for these are nice. Can't wait for the tomatoes again, because they're going to be, hopefully, we couldn't have any last year because of the weird weather, but hopefully we'll get them this year. Silkies, we've had those ones. We had some silkies. Beautiful, beautiful book. Thank you so much, Nat, for that. I really, really like it, and I'm sure he will too. Thank you so much, Don. That's really good of you to send him that. Thank you. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.